All right, this assignment is possessions around the world. So you're going to start in the week 1 folder again. You are going to click on the link, Possessions Around the World. And similar to the groceries around the world, this again was a photography project by Peter Menzel. And what he did was he asked people to bring everything they own out to the street or the sidewalk, and he would photograph them. So in this one, you can see the people right down here, and then everything they own is out there with them. Everything that was movable out of the house was brought out. So this one is a little different. You don't scroll, you click the slideshow picture on the first picture there. Just use the arrows to click through. And you have to kind of hover over and it'll tell you where the picture was taken. So when you're done looking at all the pictures, or if you want to open it in a new tab, that would probably be best, then the assignment is called Number 2 Possessions Around the World assignment. Similar to the groceries assignment, you're going to look through all the pictures. You're going to think about, what is this stuff? What is important? What do people possess? Is it people? Is it pets? Is it pictures? Is it stuff? Think about what is important to you. And then you are going to open a blank Google Doc, 350 words again. What do you notice about the pictures? What seems to be important in the different cultures around the world? What inferences can you make about the possessions or the stuff and the people in the pictures? So when you're done, you are going to think about your most important possessions. And again, maybe it's stuff, maybe it's people, maybe it's pets. But take some pictures of those most important possessions, and you're just going to insert your picture at the bottom. You don't have to explain it, just pop in your picture. You might have to email it to yourself and then copy it from your email into the Google Doc. But if you have questions about it or you need help with something, just let me know. It's due Sunday before 10 o'clock, as usual.